You're in my house, bitch!
Whoa, whoa, Dad. He's had enough.
Alright. How's mercy taste, you little bitch? No! You don't get to end this! I'm fucking Adam! I'm the fucking man, and you're just some fucking clown or something! I started everything on Earth! All of mankind came from these fucking nuts! You all should be worshipping me! You ungrateful, disgusting, fucking losers!
Whoa! Hey, you got something sticking out of your thing there.
Nifty!
Holy shit!
Blood! No! Sir! Sir! Stay with me, sir! Adam! It's over.
Take your little friends and go home! Please.
Retreat! All exorcists fall back!
So, who's up for pancakes?